Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to share this 3-minute puff top knot hairstyle which is very easy, and in this video you get to know how you can fix your top knot for all day long and make it even more voluminized. So let's get started to the video. So first I'm taking some hair from the front section, and today I didn't comb my hair because it makes the bun more voluminized. And I'm going to pull some hair from the front section to make a puff. And now I'm going to make a ponytail. Now I'm going to hold my ponytail like this so it makes the puff look better, as you can see. So I'm going to hold the ponytail like this and going to fix this with some bobby pins. And now I'm going to gather all my hair from the lower section and I'm going to make a ponytail, a high ponytail. And again I'm pull some hair from the lower side to make a lower puff. And now I'm going to divide my hair into two sections and twist my hair strands with each other. This step going to make this bun little messy, and it makes the bun more voluminized as well. Now I'm going to make it a bun like this and going to secure this with some U-pins. Here I am using some U-pins. You can use some bobby pin as well. And here I am pulling some hair from the front section and going to loosen up some hair strands from the front area, and that's it. And here I am setting my hair with some hair setting spray. And that's it, that's the complete look. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos.